We are creating a very simple ERD in Lucidchart, and we will use the closed foot notation. We want to select blank ERD and data flow. Click on Open. It's loading now. By the way, if your opening screens look different, that's fine. The steps will be the same. We want to scroll down the toolbox and get to the Entity Relationship section. To create an entity, we will just do drag and drop. Select this shape. That's for an entity. Drag it and drop it in the design area. Create another one. By the way, if you want to change the size of your entities, you can use this sliding bar. Now, let's see how we change a name. I want to change the entity name. Just double-click on it. Make this one customer. And this one order. Now, change the attribute name. Double-click on it. Customer ID. Make this one order ID. The second one, customer ID. We want to delete the attributes or the rows we don't need. Select a row, right-click, and we want to delete row. Double-click on the other. Delete it. And we have one to delete in order. Double-click on it. Right-click, delete, delete row. Okay, now we want to establish a relationship between these two entities. We will start with the parent entity. Move around the edge and until you see this red dot or the orange dot. Select it, drag it. Connect it to the other entity. Now we have a one-to-many relationship between these two entities. A customer may have one or more orders. In case we want to change the line type, just select the line. And we can change the line from a solid line to a dotted line. If we want to change the and symbols for multiplicity. Select the line or select the relationship. We have some options here. Change to this. Optional participation, and we can change the text as well. That's the name of the relationship. If we don't want the name, just delete it. Now we have a very simple ERD. By the way, for this design, we need to have an identifying relationship. In other words, we need a solid line. So let's change it again. That's the line type is here. And we don't need another name, so just delete text. Okay, we are done. By the way, this video is by no means complete and comprehensive. You can explore on your own for other features of Lucidchart. This is the end of our demo. Just a footnote, because we are using the free version of Lucidchart. So if we want to get a copy of our ERD, probably the simplest way is just to take a screenshot of it. You can use a snipping tool to get a copy of your ERD. Just keep this in mind. If we pay for Lucidchart, we will have many other options, and we can save our ERD as a regular file.